Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick step on how to delete players on FIFA Mobile. If you want to delete players on FIFA Mobile, then you can simply do it in a few simple steps. First, open your FIFA Mobile game on your mobile device and log into your account as well if necessary. Once you're inside this page, tap on the market option at the bottom. Now tap on My Players at the top of the screen. The number of players that you have will be displayed at the top. Select the player you'd like to delete and tap on Sell at the bottom right. Now tap on the Sell button again in the pop-up. Now tap on Confirm in the pop-up and then you'll be able to delete a player on FIFA Mobile. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these tutorials again. Thanks for watching.